Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Much to my wife's horror, I'm actually filming in our master bathroom, but I promise to keep all the embarrassing bits off camera. Today I'm going to show you a relatively simple task, how to change out a shower head, but if you've never seen it done before, it's always nice to see someone else do it for the first time. We've got our little stand-up shower here, and we're just decided to change the shower head. We're going to take this one and put it down in the guest suite, and we are going to use that one because it's a little nicer and it has a little handheld adapter, 6-foot hose thing that my wife would prefer to have up here. Tools you'll need a wrench, maybe. Sometimes you can actually undo it with your own hands. And you'll also need some Teflon tape. This stuff might be a buck. A buck will probably last you a lifetime if you're not a plumber. But a do-it-yourself guy, keep this in your toolbox and we'll show you what it's used for. Here's the old shower head we want to take off. This is something that you don't need to turn off the main water supply. Just have to keep the handle turned to the off position below. And this is where you might need a wrench up here. But be careful, these are almost always plastic nowadays, so you can't really torque down on the wrench. That's why I prefer to use a wrench like this that is you can set to the level of how you want it to close. I actually know that I can undo this one with my hands, so I'm just going to turn it counterclockwise. You know, the old lefty-loosey. Water will probably drip out of this, so you're going to get your feet wet a little bit. And no water. But here you can see the old Teflon tape. This stuff provides a good watertight seal, but we want to pull all that off. Okay, here we are about 2 minutes later. I got this all cleaned off, and now I'm a little on a zoom here, so I'm going to try to keep all this close. I've got the new Teflon tape, and the only real technique here that will help you out is to wrap this Teflon tape around the threads in the direction in which you'll tighten the shower head. So that's clockwise. So I'm going to put this on here and just cover all the threads maybe once or twice in the direction of tightening the head. Then I'm going to pull it and just smooth it. So that's all there is to that. This is the new head here, and you can see it's got another attachment here for a long handheld shower head. But to put the new shower head on, literally all you do is line it up. And again, because it's a plastic piece, the majority of the time you're just going to hand tighten it. Okay, there we go. That is it. Check the footage, make sure this worked out okay. Okay, if I found the drum roll effect, I would have played it by now, so we'll see in post-production editing if we did. This is it. This is the moment of truth. Gonna turn this on. And there you have it. We went from the single shower head to the dual shower head, and the connections look nice, very tight. So, success. That's how you do it. If you've never seen someone do it before, it's nice to watch them before you try it yourself. Hit like, hit subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Oh, if you want to buy some Teflon tape, I put a link in the description below. See ya.